What is up, guys? Today is a new day. It is New Year's Eve, actually. I hope you guys are all having a great day. I actually got surprised by a late Christmas present from my girlfriend. She got me a new motor, but it's not a Subaru motor. So I'm going to show you guys right now what it is. I'm extremely grateful to my girlfriend. She's been super supportive of everything I've been doing with cars. And this is definitely a new chapter for me and kind of unmarked territory. So I'm going to be learning as I go, and hopefully you guys learn with me. So let's go see the motor.
Hey, tell me what you know. Buy the motherfucker out the bottom with a gold grip, gleaming, make all the old prime. Stop creeping out the fucking dungeon. Switchblade on him in the guts like a pump. Dump. 30 rounds of that clip, I'll rip. Too thick with the stick that I won't miss. Little sick, real sick, don't talk shit. Whip, whip, like a brick scale of fish.
Alright, so the motor I got was, a Honda motor. This is a K24 A1 from a 2002 Honda CR-V. The reason why I went with this was because it's actually the more affordable option, and it actually has a better internals for boosting. So if I want to boost this motor, I'll be able to without really having to upgrade a lot of the internal. The main problem with this engine right now is it has a little bit of noise coming from the bottom end. It might be rod bearings, I might have to look at the rods, or pretty much anything down there. I need to check it out. So the whole first part of this is probably going to be me disassembling this guy, cleaning it up to the best of my ability, learning everything. I'm definitely going to be changing out oil pump, definitely going to be changing out a lot of the interior parts. So this engine does have VTEC. It's a weird kind of VTEC for the CR-Vs because it is a more torquey motor actually. So the VTEC doesn't really kick in as much for these motors. You don't feel it and it's not as loud, I guess you could say. So this is definitely a weird motor, but it has more torque than the other K24s, which is something I actually wanted because if I'm going to put this in any car, I do like having a lot of torque, and this would definitely be able to pull harder than any other NA K24. It won't rev as high, which I'm okay with, but it does have more torque, which is another reason I was definitely okay with it. Now, I have this up on a Harbor Freight engine stand. Don't ask me how I got it up there without a cherry picker because it was a hassle. Definitely all scratched up from it, but yeah, I'm super excited for this because this is like completely unmarked territory for me. I'll show you guys some of what's going on in this engine. It's pretty clean on the front side, or sorry, on the back side. Pretty much the exhaust side, because K24s are a bit weird. This is the front of the engine, that's the back. On B series and D series, it's kind of flipped. Their exhaust is on the front and it wraps around the bottom of the engine, while the K series is the other way around. The exhaust is on the back side, intake's on the front. So yeah, this engine is definitely going to be a little new for me. Alright, so I'm super excited. I hope you guys are too. There's definitely going to be a ton of videos up right now or in the next couple months about me disassembling the engine, cleaning it, pretty much whatever I learn from it, I'll be posting to the YouTube channel. It'll be pretty awesome, and pretty much anything that's going on with Subaru I'll also upload, or with friends. That's all still going on. It's not just going to be a Honda dedicated build channel. It's not the only thing that's going on, but it's definitely a really big step for us. I know that Choo Choo's going to be doing something soon too. He's probably going to go into an Integra. I don't know if I want to put this in Integra, but I'm kind of leaning towards it, so we'll see about that. Might happen in summer, late summer. Really depends on when this thing gets finished. I can't even point at it. When this thing gets finished. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, which will probably be disassembly and cleaning.